Good morning. Today we shall be knowing how and plastics they affect our environment. There are these plastics which are made up of synthetic fibers or polyester or polythene or polymer. They cannot be digested or broken down into smaller particles or decomposed by the smaller particles by the microorganisms. So there are two types of materials, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. The material which gets decomposed through natural processes such as action of bacteria is called as biodegradable. And non-biodegradable are those substances which do not get decomposed by natural processes or by microorganisms. If you see this table, we can see the type of waste which are peels of vegetables and fruits. They need approximately time taken to degenerate is 1 to 2 weeks. Same way paper degenerates in 10 to 30 days. Cotton cloth degenerates into 2 to 4 months or 5 months. Wood takes around 10 to 15 years. Woolen clothes take about a year. The aluminium and other metal cans takes 100 to 500 years. Plastic bags take several years, that means more than 500 years or 800 years. So when we should not use polythene bag, we should tell others also not to use polythene or plastic bags, not to throw here and there. We should not throw plastic bags anywhere and instead use bags made up of jute or cloth. Plastics are very helpful to us. What are the uses of plastic we have done in the last class? See, these are plastics which are our choice and they are non-reactive to food. For example, they are non-reactive when we keep in our jars, plastic jars, they do not react with the food. So we use them in kitchen. They are lighter, they are stronger and durable. They are stronger, you already know about strength of the nylon. Lighter, it is easier to carry than metals. Durable, that means you can use for longer time. So when we can use the plastic for longer time, then we should go for good plastics. Like I told in the assembly also, when you buy water bottles, then you should buy water bottles labeled by PET, and drinking water from 1 to 6 they are labeled. So we should not use the disposable cans, disposable bottles, because they take a longer time to degenerate. Also, we should distribute our garbage of food in two bags, green bag and blue bag. Green, which can be again taken to be used as compost in our kitchen garden or vegetable peels, etc. In the blue bag, we should keep the non-degradable, which can be taken for cycling. So we can again make another bag, black bag also, black bin bag also, which has the garbage which cannot be decomposed or recycled. So whatever plastics we have in our home, we should keep it for recycling and we should give it for recycling. So that leads to follow the 5 principles to save the environment. These 5 principles are reduce, reuse, recycle, recover and refuse. These are the 5 R's of our life. Fiber wise, you should not throw plastic bags on the water bodies and on the road. Why, children? Because in water bodies we have the aquatic animals which choke on them and they die, fishes and turtles. And on the road, because with the litter, the cow and the other animals, they eat the polythene and that chokes their digestive system. We should always carry a cotton bag or a jute bag while going for shopping. We should minimize the use of plastic materials. Just now I said we should not use disposable plastic. Again, when we use cutlery like spoons and forks made up of plastic, we should discourage that. We should instead carry our own spoon in a bag and Also, you can change steel lunchbox instead of plastic. It will be heavier, children, but still in the longer term you will be helping the environment. Thank you and have a nice day.